The OnePlus is among the prominent brands that tend to offer high memory configurations in its devices. For instance, the OnePlus 11 came with 16 GB of RAM. A new report speculated that the parent company of OnePlus, BBK Electronics, may include 24 GB of RAM in its phone soon. This suggests the OnePlus 12 may arrive with such a configuration once it launches later this year. It was first rumored that the OnePlus Ace Pro 2, which is an exclusive flagship Android phone in China and a clone of Oppo Reno 10 Plus, will sport 24 GB of RAM in a new leaked internal report. OnePlus is playing with the idea that the upgraded RAM will become a standard specification not only with OnePlus, but with other brands under the big umbrella, including Oppo, Realme, and Vivo. If these rumors were to materialize, it will place OnePlus and other bout companies ahead of Samsung RAM-wise. The South Korean tech firm has apparently halted manufacturing Galaxy phones with 16 GB of RAM after the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Samsung's handsets that followed, such as the Galaxy S23 Ultra, only came in a 12 GB configuration at best. More than just the memory, the OnePlus 12 could run on Android Tenos out of the box and powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. It is also believed the next flagship camera phone will boast a periscope camera, which may end up being the same module as found in the leaked OnePlus foldable device. The OnePlus 12 could become official in December. It is tipped that the OnePlus 12 will feature an overall triple rear camera. The triple camera at the back will be composed of a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide, and a new 64MP periscope module. Also, other upgrades will see a bump in charging speeds as well, with a 150-watt super fast charging speeds, powering up the device from 0 to 100% in less than 20 minutes. Stay tuned as we inch closer for the launch of this device in a few short months, and subscribe to the eSIM Studios YouTube channel for all your latest and greatest technology news and reviews. To all my fellas, to all my ladies, we out. Peace